Uptown, I got eye surgery. Yes, I'm okay. Yes, I look like a pirate. Nice talking to you. So, still here. Still heading. This is level 1 6-count week 3. So, we just brushed up a bunch of stuff and made everything better. We added a little something to the end of Frankie's sixes. Hey. Lots of functions. We'll have a little bit of music left over when you're done. So we just add this. Rock, shake, shake, shake. And keep on dancing from there. We also had you practice the difference between this round, open, close, and turn, that tuck turn, and this straight feeling and the send down. So here's the practice if you want to try it at home. I go this way, I go back. If I go straight going back, I'm going to go straight on the way out. When we're here, if I go the preparation, change the move. If I go around here in the preparation, we're going to turn during the move. So try those out, mix them up a little bit. Again, if you are by yourself practicing, just get that forward really good. Try to do some stuff like with your hands while you do it, that'll be great, but get some practice. That's it. I'm okay.